Hello students, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Welcome back to Narayana Digital Classes, 9th class, topic solution, assignment number 12. So first question, the formality of a solution containing 47.5 grams of MgCl2 in 500 ml of it is. So what is the given question? So 47 grams of MgCl2 in 500 ml of it is. They are asking formality. So what is the information in given question? So weight is given. Weight equal to 47.5 grams and gram formula weight of MgCl2 is 95 grams and volume also given, V equal to 500 ml. So formality equal to weight by gram formula weight into 1000 by V in ml. So substitute this all values in this formula. Weight equal to 47.5 by 95 into 1000 by 500. After that cancellation, formality equal to 1F. So option 1. Next, move to second question. .1 gram mole of urea is dissolved in 100 grams of water. The molarity of the solution is. He is asking molarity. So what is meant by molarity? Molarity is nothing but number of gram moles of solute dissolved in 1 kg of solvent is called molarity. So here given question. Number of gram moles is 0.1 and weight of the solvent 100 grams. 100 grams is converted into kgs, 0.1 kg. So molality equal to 0.1 by 0.1. So number of moles is 0.1, weight of the solvent also 0.1. After that cancellation, molality equal to 1. Option 4. Next, third question. 3 grams of salt, molecular weight 30, is dissolved in 250 grams of water. The molality of the solution is. What is the given information in this question? Weight is given, W 3 grams and molecular weight also, gram molecular weight also and 30 and weight of the solvent also 250 grams. So molality equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by W in grams. So M equal to 3 by 30 into 1000 by 250. 1 ja 4 ja. So 12 by 30, then you will get 0.4. One check which option? Option 1. Next, move to fourth question. Statements here given. What is that statement 1? The formality is depends on temperature. See, what is the formula of formality? Formality equal to weight by gram formula weight into 1000 by V in ml. Where volume is present, it is depend on temperature. So option 1 correct. Option 2, if formula mass is equal to molecular mass, the formality is equal to molarity. Yes, the formula mass is equal to molecular mass, the formality is equal to molarity. So both statements are correct. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Option 1. Next, fifth question. See that 16 grams of methanol is present in 100 ml of solution. 16 grams of methanol is present in 100 ml of solution. If the density of the solution is 0.96 gram per ml. Here density also given. How much? 0.96 gram per ml. Then the molality of the solution. So what is the given information? Here weight is given. How much? 16 grams. Gram molecular weight of methanol. Gram molecular weight of methanol formula CH3OH is 32 grams. Is present in volume is given 100 ml and even density also given. What is the density? Equal to mass by volume. Density of the solution is equal to mass of the solution by volume. So density how much? 0.96. So 0.96 m by v. M is mass of the solution. Then you will get mass of the solution is equal to 100 where m equal to 96 grams. So, but you want to calculate molality. So, molality equal to formula what nana? Weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by weight in grams. So, weight you know 16 grams, gram molecular weight you know 32 grams and weight of the solvent. But you know weight of the solution. So weight of the solvent equal to weight of the solution minus solute. What is the solution? Solution is 96 minus 16, 80 grams. Weight of the solvent 80 grams. So W you know and gram molecular weight also you know and mass of the solute also you know. Substitute in this all values in this formula. M equal to 16 by 32 into 1000 by 80. After that cancellation, then you will get 6.25 molality. So what is the option? 6.25, option 1. Thank you students.